Hello and welcome to the SaturdayMP Show, episode number 111, being recorded mostly live. What is the date today? August 17th, 2026. I'm your host, Chris, and today, now that we've wrapped up the Hugo blog, migrating our blog from WordPress to Hugo, you can see in the last couple of videos. I'm going to take a little break today before we jump into maybe another project, which I haven't decided yet to film, and work on some picoCTF, capture the flag challenges. So for those that don't know, these are just hacking related challenges where you try to find a flag file on a system using some sort of exploit or bug in a setup or something like that. Basically, you're acting like a hacker, and the flag represents you getting like root or other valuable information off the site. So it used to be picoCTF, but I'm probably still going to call it that. Now it's like CyLab. They recently renamed themselves, but sorry if I keep calling it picoCTF, that's why. So I'm going to just randomly, I don't know, film for like an hour or something today, I think, but see how far we get. I'm not an expert at these challenges, so you're going to watch this mostly live and see probably me screw up and make mistakes and possibly not even solve it. So if you're looking for these problems solved in like 5 minutes, you could probably find those videos out there, but this is just someone actually going through and struggling with them. So yeah, that's kind of what these videos are about. Real developers, kind of showing that it's really like to be a developer, in this case, like a capture the flag, who just doesn't have the answers in 5 minutes. So all right, let's see what happens here. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just randomly going to pick the problem to solve. So I think there was 44, yeah, down here. So we picked what, 31? So I guess we should go here. Boom. Boom. What did I, 31? Yeah. It's probably a better way to do this, but oh, it's going to be a hard one maybe. Uh-oh, this might not be. Oh, okay, now we're on to mediums. Maybe I can solve this. And there's what, 12 here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Let's see what challenge we should work on first here. Oh, the 12th one. Vault door 6. Oh, I don't know if I've done any of the vault door ones. It's reverse engineering. This vault uses XOR encryption scheme. Okay. All right. So let's see what happens here. So go here. So, if you want to find, I have all of these. These are the ones I've solved, mostly in previous videos. You can find them on GitHub here under Mr. Big Red with 2 G's there, picoCTF. So if you're watching this video later or something, you can see the ones that I've solved and how I solved them. So lots of spoilers there. So this is Vault Door 6. All right, so let's go create a new folder, Vault Door 6. And then I like to create README inside of each one. Vault Door 6. And then I should probably put this in a branch. Create a branch feature. Vault Door 6. All right, and then I use this README also just to take notes as I'm going through it and also to post the solution. So, okay, let's go back here. I have to download the code. Okay, and then I need to get it into what's in Vault Doors? Okay, put it as Vault Door 6. Okay, let's see what this Java file looks like. No. And then I should disable. I'm going to disable code complete here. Just because I'm trying to solve these on my own, without any help. So sometimes it'll throw in the answer or solutions in there. But I do have Claude set up. So if we need to ask some questions, we can bring up the Claude terminal and ask questions in there. So, all right. I don't know if I can actually, do I run this? I guess. Okay. Vault door 6. There's the main. Creates a new vault door 6 thing. A new scanner. Oh, this looks like just reading the input. I'm not a Java. Man, I haven't worked in Java in a while. Enter the vault password. Okay. Oh, this is the flag we're looking for. If it's correct, granted. Okay. Dr. Evil gave me a... okay. Oh, yeah. Check password. Okay. We have a book called Applied Cryptography. Oh, yeah. The famous security guy. I do have this book, but I've only read bits and pieces of it. I never read the whole thing. So taking the string. Okay, well, it's not equal to 32 characters. Just bail. And then it's converting it to bytes. And then from the bytes, it's this must be the XOR symbol. Maybe it's XOR in Java. If it's not equal to 0, then return false. Oh, okay. I wonder if we could just use CyberChef to solve this. Okay, but we got yeah, so okay, so sorry. So taking the password created bytes, they create actual password they're matching it against, and they're XORing these two. Oh, so I guess I just have to reverse engineer this whole thing. Yeah, but if we look, okay, well, let's just see. Let's just write some of these bits out. So let's just cut, just because I like to do this a little bit in my head. Okay. Java file is, I think it's XOR. XOR method. Okay. So, I'm just curious because, so the byte 0x55, like that's in hex, right? So that is going to give you, what's 5 and 5? Is zeros, what is 5? So this is, I have to remember my binary math here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 4. So it'd have to be 0, 1, 0, 1, right? That's 5. 0, 1, 0, 1. Oh, is that what it's doing? It's, I think that's right. 1, 2, 4. Yeah, 4, 5. Okay. For those who don't know, when you're doing binary math, this first, the one on the right, or this is base 2, to represent numbers. This first column represents 0 is 0 to 1. This next column, if it's a 1, it's a 2. So if you want to write like 1 is 0, 0, 0, 1, 2 is 0, 0, 1, 0, 3 is 0, 0, 1, 1. So you just add these columns. Like this is 2 plus 1 is 3. And you just kind of keep going. Because each one of these, because this is base 2, this is 2 for sorry, 1, 2, 4, 8. And if you kept going, you would get larger and larger numbers. All right, so that's what we're XORing. So, and then if we look at 0x3b is, so 3 is 0, 0, 1, 1, right? And then b, so it goes up to 9. A is 10. So I can't remember. A, B, C. I think this is right. E, F. So you're going to go from 0 to 15. So that's 16 possible combinations. So 10, we want 11. So this, remember, this one's 8. 0. This is 10, 11. So that would give us 11. So. Okay, so and then what they want to do for the way this function works, from what I understand, is you would take, like, say my password, I would enter that character. I'm assuming this is all ASCII. A, so if I look at A, I have to look up the ASCII chart. ASCII, I must have done this before, ASCIIcode.com, there we are. So if we look up A, the letter, so I guess this is capital A. This is the byte code for it, or the binary code. So I should put this as capital A. And then what this method is doing is it's going to take those two. It's going to take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it's going to take, so this is A, and this is 0x55. Right? And that's 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. And XOR means, so there's 3 types of kind of Boolean logic. There's and, there's or, and there's X or. So and is when both are true, or in this case, both 1. Or is when either or both are true, either 1. And XOR is when only 1 is true, right? So if we were to XOR this, right, like this, neither one of these is true, so this is 0. Neither one, I guess we just do it like this. Neither one, both of these is true, so this is 0. This is 0. This is 1. This is 0. This is 1. This is 0. This is 0. So, like, capital A is not the letter they want here, because what they want this to equal 0. Every one of these should equal 0. So each time they XOR it, these should all be zeros at the bottom. But capital A doesn't work. So what we do now that we can see this actual code is we can reverse engineer. How do you un-XOR? That's a good question. I have to think about this now. I have to reverse an XOR. Can you even do that? So I have this, and I know this. Oh, is reverse of an XOR just an OR? 1. Oh, maybe. Huh. I don't actually know how to reverse an XOR. Well, it should all be zeros. Okay, so maybe that's a clue we can use. So if we have something like 0x3b is 0, 0, 1, 1. And then what did we say b was 11? Yeah, 1, 0, 1, 1. And 0x55 is this. Just cut and paste that, I guess. So we want to un-XOR this. So what would that be? Like if I just XOR it, do I get 1? Is that an actual letter? I'm gonna have to look up how to un-XOR it. It is N. Okay, well, let's see if N would work. Okay, so if we did N, this, 0x55, just this. Is that going to give us all zeros? I don't think that's how you un-XOR 0, 0, 1. Yeah, it's not going to. This all needs to be zeros. Do you AND? Maybe I think you lose information when you do an XOR, right? Like we've lost. Like we don't know if this is 0 or if this is 1. Like we've lost that information when we've done it. I think. Okay, well let's see if we can reverse an XOR. How do I reverse an XOR? Just tell me how reversing X. Don't solve the problem. Okay. Oh, I can undo it by maybe it's 1, 1. A XORed with B, XORed with B equals A. Oh, did I XOR it with the wrong? Did I do an XOR here? Oh no, okay, I didn't do an XOR, I just did an OR. So if I do this, 0, okay, so let's see. So this would be 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. And then if we did that, that would give us all zeros. Yeah. Okay, well, what character is this? Is this actually a character? Let's see. There, it is device. Oh, see, but that's not a character. It's like device control on. Oh, what am I doing wrong here? Oh, I have to XOR it with itself. Shoot, that's what I. Okay. So this is what I want to do. I want to do 3B. Okay, is this what I need to do? And if we XOR this, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. What? Oh, I'm confused. Okay, so if I took XOR is its own inverse. Equals cipher XORed with the key. Oh, did I do that right the first time then? So if I take the cipher, X3B, let's say it was 0, 0, 0. Oh, sorry. 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. Or 1, 1, 0. Right? Those are both zeros. There's 1, 1, 1, 1. Both are ones. And was that n? Again, let me double check. Yeah, n. Okay, so that equals n. If I do 0, 0. Yeah, but then I don't get 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so I basically get that thing again. Oh, they're minusing. I forgot this here. I missed that part there. Shoot. Okay. So they're XORing this, and then they're minusing it from here. Oh, okay. We get that. Okay, so if I pass an n, that's this. That returns this. This minus this is 0. Oh, okay, okay. So basically that's what we'd have. We'd have to do that for every one. But that's, oh, I took a screenshot somehow. That's gonna be a lot of work. But this first one is n something or other, or n. So I don't know. I guess we just write a script to undo this. Probably the fastest way. Or can we use CyberChef? Or CyberChef would work. I don't have to write anything. Okay, CyberChef. Can I just take this? I can't remember if CyberChef makes inputs like this. So I should probably, let's do this. Oops. Let's format this in a slightly nicer format. 0x. This was zeros. Just for this. Oh no, just for the selected part. Can I just do the selected in Visual Studio? I'll just do this. Oops. Okay, and then let's get rid of the commas. I guess it should be 0. I need to put the zeros there for some reason. A 0 0 0 0. Okay. Do 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 do. Was there really a 0 in there too? Let's see. Oh yeah, there's just a 0. 0 0, sure. Okay, so that's what we got there. What is our algorithm again there? And then we want to add, we wanted to XOR it with that. Can I just do an XOR on the, let's see, XOR key, 55. Oh, there we go. So that starts with an N. I'm assuming N0 T umlaut. Oh, sorry, this is probably 0A. Yeah. Oops. I put the zeros in the wrong spot. I guess we could just leave them off. There we go. Not much harder than XOR. That looks like a valid key. So, all right. So let's go here. Enter this. Submit. Oh, I have to put the picoCTF, I think, like this. Oops. Where's the vault door? Oh, picoCTF dot length. Oh, I need this. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, it's just the. Wait, okay, so the user input is... Oh, I didn't notice this part. So the user input is the substring. How does substring work? So we're taking the user input. Okay. So we're ignoring the pico part. And then we are... Oh, it's capital CTF2. Yeah, we're skipping over that, and then we're taking that length minus 1. Or sorry, we're stripping... They would type in picoCTF with all the curly braces, and then, okay. So... Oh, I have one of these. There we go. That's probably it. I don't think the case matters. Hooray! Okay, cool. Problem solved. Well, that was pretty good. That was about half an hour. Do I try one more? Okay, well, let's... Okay, notice that... to reverse an X, or just do another X, or... For example, so if we did, let's just take ASCII. I guess I should probably put this like so. Guess we put this up here too. Do we need any of this stuff? Okay. Use CyberChef. To find the answer. I think I could just cut and paste this CyberChef link too. Okay. All right. Oh, that's pretty good. Oh, no padding, no problem. What did I do here? Oh, I must have just hit enter or something. No padding, no problem. Let's undo that one. Skip. All right. Solve the vault door 6 challenge. All right, there we go. All right. Publish that branch. We'll merge that later. All right, it's about half an hour. Let's try one more real quick. Hopefully real quick. If it's a real hard one, I might randomly pick another, but let's try this random number generator again. So we need to go back to 44. 8. Oh, okay. This one could be really easy. All right. Oh, I guess I could just go up here. Page 8. And then we need 12. 6. I've already solved that one. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we'll just do this one. Scavenger hunt. If something interesting to run a site, can you find it? Okay, so in this case, we're going to launch an instance. Okay, so let's get this all set up before we do anything else. Before I forget. Let's go back to main. And then let's create a branch. What was it called again? Scavenger hunt. All right. And then here, new folder. Scavenger hunt. Perfect. And a new file, just sort of read me. Oh, I don't just find replace anymore. And then, all right, let's see what happens here. Somebody should have on the site. Can you find it? Okay, so let's launch this instance. Yeah, I like picoCTF or the CyLab or whatever. It's kind of nice. You could start off pretty easy. Right, they got some relatively easy challenges. You don't need a lot of extra tools. Like if you hack the box, a lot of times they'll require you more advanced tools. So this is a great way, just a low way to get started. So, okay. How, what? Oh, use JavaScript too. Oh, interesting. Okay. Well, so I like Burp Suite. Like I think I have like Cat Links. It's on Burp Suite on it for sure. But I can make this a little bigger, I think. So we can see there. Oh yeah, did I make the cyber chef? There. I guess I should make it bigger in case you watch the small screen. But yeah, it's got some nice, easy ones to get you into hacking and cybersecurity. So it's got a JavaScript thing. Here's the first part of the flag. Oh, okay. And this is always a good reminder, like looking at these HTML pages and JavaScript, like anything that you publish for your website, a lot of times that's going to be knowledge that anyone can go look at, right? So, oh, is there a robot.txt? Okay. Tab link. Oh, it looks like it's trying to hide things. Oh, maybe it's hiding some with the colors. Oh, that's funny. Maybe? I don't know. Okay, but we could see if there's a robot.txt. So if we go here, robot.txt. Oh, is it robots? All right, there we go. Okay, so yeah, we gotta slowly build up the thing. Okay, so let's take some notes while we're doing this. Okay, so look at the HTML. See the first part of the flag in HTML on it. I guess I didn't put the flag in the last one, so oh well, whatever. Found the third part in the robots. .txt. Looking at the JS. I think it's hiding. I have to figure exactly what that JavaScript is doing. Oh, maybe there's something in the CSS too. Actually, let's take a quick look here. Oh, this makes it easier. Oh, okay, I don't have to look at the JavaScript. Notice a hint to look at robots.txt. Found part 2 in the CSS. So it's Apache. What are those files? HT access, I think, are the Apache files. Can you just do HT access? .ht access? Oh yeah, okay. There it is. Look at the .ht access file. So what do we have everything we need right now? Is there a part 5? Yes. On my Mac, I can store a lot of information there. So what? Is it like this one I don't know. I use a Mac. Right now, my Kali, I'm running this videos on a Windows 11 machine with a Kali VM. But I do have a Mac, an old Intel Mac laptop. I really want to get a new Mac laptop. Oh, maybe next year. See what the prices are like, because my Intel one won't be supported anymore. So I'm gonna have to upgrade eventually. So, and I do some Mac stuff, so it's gonna have to be in the budget no matter what. But it just sucks. I haven't looked at Mac, so I know the prices for a lot of things have gone up. So, I can store a lot of information there. Does Mac have? Does it have a default? Oh, I don't know what this last one is, but it's gotta be a file that probably someone accidentally. Okay, let's put Mac specific files and suffixes. Let's see. You live? That's really big. Web files. Web archive. A tiny text file holding URL. Oh. I love making websites on my Mac. What's a common software? Making websites on a Mac. This one I don't know. Okay, let's take a look at these clues again. I'm gonna keep Google from indexing. Okay, I found the next flag. I love making websites on my Mac. I can store. Oh, is it the App Store? Is it a .dmg file? DMG? No. .app? No. I can store a lot of information there. Mac Store website. Store files. Let's see. Yeah, maybe it's one of these websites on my Mac. I can store a lot of information there. Yeah, like they probably uploaded something they shouldn't have. Is there a bin folder? I feel like using one of those brute force ones. Let me see. Is there anything else on the... Okay. View page source. Okay, well, they're just using Google fonts. That's fine. How do you like my website? Dang, it doesn't say what they would have used to build it with. Okay, I'm getting kind of stuck on this one. Let's see. What are some web site building apps for Mac that might upload? A user might upload a file accidentally. I'm assuming that's what they did. They're using like a third-party software, and it had some whatever file, and they accidentally uploaded it when they shouldn't have. I hope this won't tell me the answer, though. Oh, that's right. Oh, okay. .ds store. Oh, yeah, okay. So they put that in there. .ds store. Oh, okay, yeah, there we go. Okay, so let's copy this URL. Right, okay. So that's kind of one of the reasons I really like a lot of these capture the flags is you really need to know DS. You really need to know like a lot about the underlying operating system and other files and stuff like that. So no, I want to put the, there we go. Just put that in there. Boom. Okay. So now we can just build this key. Flag is, oh yeah, I should read the rest of this. Oh yeah, I could have just curled it, but I just did it in the web browser. Okay, so four, three. Oh, it's a long one. Part two. Hopefully I cut and pasted this all correctly. And then part one is this. That's for, oh, that's a lot of places to look. Okay. What's the hint? Don't run a brute forcer. Oh. All right. Cool. Well, that was pretty good. I'm going to call that a win. So yeah, again, you can go to the website here. I'll throw it in the show notes if you want to see the solutions and stuff like that, and solutions to other ones that I've solved. You can find previous videos on the channel for a lot of these. Some of them, I don't think I recorded videos. I solved them during an actual picoCTF challenge and stuff like that. But yeah, so you should be able to find the stuff there. If you found this video useful, I don't know, share it, like it, subscribe, just so other people can find it. If you didn't find it useful, you can send an email to ask@SaturdayMP.com, kind of with some constructive criticism or feedback. Or if you just didn't, if this is not your cup of tea, that's fine. I'm just going to watch the next video. But yeah, if you have any suggestions, comments, things you want in a future video, questions you want me to answer, ask@SaturdayMP.com is a place to go. You can also throw it in the comments down below if you're assuming you're watching this on YouTube. And yeah, thank you all very much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.